Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to subtract mixed numbers. The given mixed numbers 10 and 13 over 14 minus 3 and 4 over 7. After to subtract these mixed numbers, well, when we look at the fractional parts, we see that they are unlike denominators. 13 over 14 minus 4 over 7. They are unlike fractions. In order to make them like fractions, I have to multiply this one by 2, both sides by 2, top and bottom. That will make it 8 over 14. Now at this stage it becomes easily, I can subtract after making these changes. So the fraction part, this one can be subtracted from this one. It is 5 over 14. Whereas the whole number part, let me change the color. This is the whole number part. Since the fraction part has, we were able to subtract the fraction part without any problem, we can also go ahead and subtract the whole number part. 10 minus 3 is 7. And the fraction part already subtracted, it is 5 over 14. Seven and 5 over 14. This is the answer. This is one of the approaches to do subtraction of mixed numbers. The other approach would be to change these numbers into improper fractions and subtract. Like if I change into improper fraction, it is 14 times 10 is 140 plus 13, it would be 153. Is 153 over 14. Similarly, I can convert this one into an improper fraction. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 4, 25. This is 25 over 7. Still, the two are unlike fractions, unlike denominators. In order to make them like denominators, I can multiply this one by 2 over 2. And okay, let me remove this part to have some more space. Now coming back, when we multiply 2 by 25, it is 50. 2 by 7, it is 14. So let me bring the whole thing as it is 153 over 14 minus 50 over 14. This is subtraction of like fractions. I take 14 here, the same common denominator, and then 153 minus 50 is 103. So we get our answer, which is 103 over 14. This is an improper fraction. When you divide 103 by 14, you'll find 7 and the remainder is 5. So 7 and the remainder you write it as 5, and the denominator is 14. So you see, we have now solved this problem by taking two approaches. The first approach is we converted the fraction part, and we subtracted the fraction part from the fraction part and the whole number part from the whole number part. And this is the answer we arrived at. The other approach I used was to convert this mixed number into improper fraction, and that one also into improper fraction, then made the denominators equal. After that, I arrived at this value, and that one has to be converted to a mixed number form again, and the answers we got in both cases are the same. You can see the answer by any of the two approaches is the same. So this is how we do subtraction of mixed numbers. It all depends on your interest. Sometimes when you do it this way, it may be faster, and sometimes you may have to do it the other way. But essentially, whichever way you do it, you will have to get the same answer. Well, thank you for your attention, and I will see you again in another session with similar examples.